Okay, so for those who just came in, we'll start with this question. Let's start with the vector today. Yeah, how to live in this form OP. For those who, manage to do, that's great. Okay, yes. Straight line OP and OQ. Right? OP and OQ. They give you already. So they want vector OP in this form. It's a basic question. So all of you get ready and then just write your answer. It's very straightforward because I told you last week about vector and they give you the point. P is phi 3. So OP vector, if they give you coordinate phi 3, then straight away phi I plus 3j. Wow. Okay. Can do or not? Try to see. Oh, very good. I Chang, you still here. Hello, 3 years. So, okay. And then ask you to write QO, QO, Q to O. As I know, OQ, right, is easy. From the point, you can see on a zoom, 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 is negative 8, 4, negative 8, 4, negative 8, 4, negative 8, 4. So OQ, negative 8, 4. But I want QO. So everyone, you see again, in this form, QO. So OQ is this. So QO leh, change the sign only. That's it. Then become po become ne. Right? So they give you the coordinates. So you just need to see carefully, right? How to do it easily. Wow, very good. Okay, for Hana, no sit, Shriya. Okay, if someone put 18, it's 18, maybe we see wrongly. You zoom in, zoom in, zoom in on the spot, right? Okay, this is just warm up question. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to continue. Easy is just like make you happy. You haven't seen difficult question, right? Later first. Okay, now everyone, this question. Also, basic question. We do all this revision first because some of you, I'm not sure whether you have, remember or, you never follow my other classes like normal class. I straight away do intensive. So I have to check your level again before we go to more challenging question. Okay, always warm up, start from basic, and then we go challenging until K-bar. Can y'all tell me what is the answer? Determine the nonlinear equation connecting y and x. How to do it? Determine the nonlinear equation connecting y and x. Hello, are you doing? Can do or not? They give you the 2.06 and 39 is already linear form. So I want you on the spot do it. Don't wait until next year only do, okay? Do it now. So Yi Cheng give the answer. Oh, Wei Ping, Xing Yi, Ersa, very good. Well done. How you connect them? Bagaimanakah kamu hubungkan mereka? You're gonna tengok baik-baik. Okay, yes. So for this linear question, You see, x over y against x, 0, 6, and 3, 9. So you don't tell me, oh, I know this is x coordinate, y coordinate. It's x coordinate, but this is not y coordinate, it's xy. Same thing, 0 is x, 6 is x over y. Please, this is linear, law. So the question, you have to link it easily, right? So let's see, we'll have to do what? To link with the gradient, or you want to solve any information, right? Because if you start with the linear law, remember y equals mx plus c. This is big Y. This is big X. So you can replace, okay, big Y is X over Y. Big X is X. Y-intercept is 6. M eh? To find gradient, remember, linear law is what? Y2 minus Y1 over X minus 1. So you just use the simple way to solve. 9 minus 6, 3 minus 0, you get 3 over 3 equals to 1. I'll sub in here. So x over y equals to x plus 6. But how to relate y and x? You can rearrange to make y as a subject. Okay? So means what you can do is you bring up the y, bring down the x. Oh, it's like that, lor. Your answer, y equals to x over x plus 6. So, do you know how to do or not? Yes, practice makes perfect. Okay, that's it. So, this is linear graph, but you have to change to non-linear, bukan linear, non-linear. Non-linear means like y equals to like could be x squared, x cubed, something like those normal graph functions you learned earlier, right? But this is reciprocal graph, x over x plus 6. So this is the answer for it, right? The whole thing times x. I just do this only, switch, don't need to times x. The x plus 6 is over 1, right? Then here x over y, y bring up, become y over 1, x plus 6 bring down, like that. I just swap only. So that make y alone on the left hand side above. Not 1 over y, but y over 1. Is that clear, right? Okay, good. Let's continue. You're clear, right? Any question, just ask. Yeah, this question. Oh, Shannon can do. Shannon. Wow, this one must know, okay? How to do it, right? So especially, they ask you to find the value of R and S. They give you F. A lot of people think that this is F squared. Very funny, huh? Funny means laugh, 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 laugh. They thought F square was F. This is not square. It means FF. Yeah, I always see students, they thought F, no, it's a composite. In this situation, you must know it's not equals to fx whole thing squared. Okay, please. Yeah, trigonometry, yes. Sine square x equals to sine x squared. A lot of things you mess up and you think that they are the same. No. Okay, and also you remember or not? This is second derivative is different. So everything got the symbol, you don't mix, no mix and match. Different topic at all. Wow, Singy gave the answer already so fast when I thought she already done. Huh? This is called the attitude of the student that really put effort in doing. Writing on your test pad or your notebook, right? Every lesson you learn and learn. Because I already told you, this program, you're very lucky, is sponsored by Segi College Subang Jaya, right? So that's why, They are so kind to sponsor of you that register this program for e-revision, right? Because I think a lot of people still don't know this. Well, okay, you can keep or what? Share with your friends, right? Yeah. So they sponsor you. Please study well, okay? And make sure that you really do it with your own heart. That's why people say, "Aya, sometimes they don't appreciate, people's effort. They don't appreciate people's, treat you, so you have to think. So from morning until now, yeah, that's the best lah. Okay, waiting, huh? So there are some people just came in, no worry if you came in late rather than you absent, huh? Right? Okay, hi. Those who just joined in, we discussed two questions. You just missed the two questions. Okay, well, you have to really put effort in this, yeah, because all these questions might come out in your exam later. If the short question one, if the long question, you have to be very careful because it can be going up to 9 marks, 8 marks, right? Then it will be continuous from part A to part B. The answer A wrong means maybe your B also wrong. Yeah, especially the word hands. You have to be careful the word hands, marker itu ada nampak tak? Seterusnya ada perkataan itu kena berhati-hati. Kerana jawapan dekat bahagian A akan digunakan untuk bahagian B soalan kan. Okay. So only one friend give the answer. Okay, two friend give answer already. Three friend. Okay. Yeah. Four friend give the answer already. Good. Well done. Teaching Sriya Singhi can check answer Junyu also. Get the answer already, Junyu, right? Who else? No more. Okay, well, what can I do is you have to start with like, composite function given is ff, right? Is ff equals to 9x minus 5. So what I can do is to find baby or to find mother, no worry. You can do the other side over here, which is fx equals to rx minus x. Then you sub in the x with fx. You see? So sometimes when you do, you just be aware what you're doing. Because you have to know like that fx is given 9x minus 5. You just sub in only, right? And you make what as a subject? Can. So here my question is, you have to know that given ff, but you have to know also fx is what? You have to substitute to replace the fx again, right? Which is rx minus s, then minus x. Do you see or not? Or I change the color to tell you how I substitute left and right side like this. ff given, I just sub in 9x minus 5 on the left hand side. So you must know in between is the equal. So left, right, you just do tally, from top to bottom like that. Okay. So and compare, yeah. So what I can do is this one, I just copy the left hand side. Right hand side, I just need to expand. So your friend say by comparison, means the coefficient of x on the left hand side. You can do that. Berkali x, coefficient of x. You can see or not, coefficient of x. Got who? Coefficient of the x. Okay, coefficient of the x, you can see 9 equals to r square. Okay, if you still cannot see, never mind. Why you can't see is because maybe you didn't factorize the right hand side there. You see, when you do this question, okay, factorize the s. right? Like that, oh? Is it? Don't need lah. Without the x also can lah, because don't need factorize also can. You know why? This is without x, means constant, no? So some people you factorize also no point. Unless you got a few x lah, then you factorize easier to compare. But the behind, right, I purposely put like that is without x. Without x, then you compare with the without x, oh. So coefficient of x, you compare with coefficient of x. Okay, left hand side and right hand side. So this is the thing, you can see or not. So r square equals to 9, r equals to positive negative square root of 9. So you got answer, two of them, positive 3 and negative 3. But they say if r less than 0. Oh, okay. So what you should do? So that means they tell you r is less than 0. Then you can do this way. So you're working, you have to write nicely to tell what you're working, how to present it. So you can say rejected since r less than 0. So they say rejected the positive one now, right? They say r is less than 0, right? Double check, double check. Double check, they say r less than 0. So rejected the positive one, right? Okay. So when r is less than 0 means negative 3. Okay. You see, negative 5 equals to this. Negative 5 equals to negative rs minus x. So this is actually the constant. You're comparing the constants. Constant. Kamu hanya samakan pemalah kedua-dua belah. Sebelah kiri dan sebelah kanan. Dan kamu kena cari s kan? Gantikan r, okay, replace r with negative 3, then you can solve for the x. Okay, so basically negative 5 equals to 2s, s equals to negative 5 over 2 lah. You get this answer? Oh, okay, Ken, Brian. I see you're so hardworking, huh? Is that your answer, S? I saw some of you different more. And I saw Yi Cheng same answer as my answer. Xingyi also same answer as my answer. Shreya also. The others, what happened? What happened? Wi-Fi overflow. Oh, you double check your working. What is the mistake? Right? Can see or not boleh faham what I'm doing here. So sometimes when you do this type of question, you not necessarily need to simultaneous equation. You don't need to solve simultaneous equation. Sometimes by comparison, right? Method is also very good because you already have left hand side and you find your right hand side. Then after that, they compare each other. What the element they have is like, left hand side got x, right hand side also got x, you compare to find the unknown. So this is a method you can use to solve, right? Okay, done. Well, this question, okay, 2 marks only. Everyone do this question now. See whether can do or not. If you cannot do, must ask. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Everyone must try, I already told you since the beginning of the first week, the house rule for my class. You want to score A, you want to score A plus, you want to improve, that's the method. Okay, it's a proven method that I've trained so many students, more than 10,000 students I have trained. Yeah, so that's right. I can tell you, so many students, they do well because I have my method. You must trust my method. Then only you see why you are here. If you don't want to listen to my voice, okay, that's it. Listen to people's who are senior because they have gone through it. Their experience could be your reference. To be successful fast, you have to get more people's opinions and reference, or their learning mistake. You can learn from the mistake. You see, then you will prevent yourself to do again. The similar mistake. Yeah, people like why they can save so much time in revision because they really put the effort lah, and really listen to people. So same thing. uh, Not just teachers, but also we are here to share with you what we have gone through, so that you all are now growing, learning. Yes, inverse function, and then find P and Q again. So this also should I use that, today's you see got comparison method quite often, no? So Junyu and Singy gave the answer already. Good. How about the others? This is Maya. Okay, I accidentally draw. Okay. Got one time last year, student, they are so excited. First time using Zoom in online class. Never like those, those people, orang asli they never seen before. So sad. They first time use Zoom, they chanting, then everyone also chanting together, like a piece of artwork, very unique. My whole screen is so colorful with all the circle, line, curve, whatever lah. Yeah, they put it all inside one page. You also like, huh? Good lah. Yeah. Okay. Your class is always fun. Really? Good, good, Subhashini. Okay? Always. Never one day boring. Every day. Happy go lucky. Okay? Yeah, your friends say that. So I saw Shreya give answer, Yi Chen give answer. Yeah. Okay. Maybe say answer. Fun. Yeah, let's continue. But because some of your friends use BM, but maybe I try to speak. But the thing is, yeah, there are some students, so I need to consider, right? You can understand my language, right? So if you got any problem, don't be like quiet there, okay? My working also not much writing in Malay or English, right? So how to find inverse function, because they given already, this one somehow given. I write again given, so that you see given. Means you have to find your inverse function again. Remember I taught you shortcut to find inverse. You don't need to use let y equals to, wow, so long. After you let y already have to let s, by the time you finish already one day gone. This one shortcut and get full marks. Why not? You see, H composite H inverse, this one you must know it become X. Yeah, and you make X as a H inverse as a subject, right? You make H inverse as the subject. So bring the Q there, become minus Q, right? You must know composite composite H inverse is equal to X. Kena tahu ini tau. Then after that, P bring there become dy. So your H inverse equals to X minus Q over P. Wow, you see? Hello, this is not the question. The question asks you to find P and Q lah, right? So for those you have seen the method like that, is just to find H inverse. So you just compare. By comparison. Yes, okay, with 7 minus 3x. So your friend cannot see, never mind. I try to split them so that you can see. Here is a fraction. You can split become 2 fraction. By comparison with 7 minus 3x, you see coefficient of x, you can compare, right? Kali x dengan secara perbandingan. Okay, dengan ini you boleh nampak Negative 3 equals to, not P, it's 1 over P, because it's actually over P. So that's right, 1 over P equals to negative 3. P equals to negative 1 over 3. Yes. And compare with the constant. Constant, per mala means this is constant, means without the x is constant, without the x is constant. Okay, yeah, so negative q over p equals to 7. But you got p ready. When p equals to negative 1 over 3, negative q equals to negative over now. I'm the only one talking. Okay, negative q over what? Negative 1 over 3 equals 7. Then upside down, then it's 4 lor, then 4 lor. Q over 1 over 3 is 3q lor. Okay, is it? Yeah. Then after that, q equals to 7 over 3 lor, right? We can bring the 1 over 3 there, it's the same. Same. Okay, that's your answer. Happy? Go lucky. Yeah. Okay. You all like to be like that, act cute, right? I also like to act cute. Yeah. Okay. But I see a lot of people like that. Yeah. But it's different meaning, if you point like that. Do you know that? You don't know, Okay, like this is peace, yeah, but then you terbalik, then different meaning already. It's a vulgar word. You don't know, Somehow you go and use it like that, You don't know, cannot teach. Teach you later, you scared. No, must teach, because if not, you become naive. Every time selfie, yeah. It's not yeah, lah. If your finger like that, it means what your finger like that, huh? You don't know, man, when you yeah, huh? How to point, Like that is yeah, man. Right? Yeah. But you terbalik, leh? Different already. Yeah, how to draw already? When you terbalik, different already. Yeah. Okay. Terbalik, you have to see carefully, it's different already. Like, cannot see, Okay, like that lah, for example lah. This is yeah. This one, 4-letter word, Yeah, you don't know, Yeah. Please, next time selfie, don't point to balik. Means you hurt yourself. Yeah, be careful. Don't simply point. So you all don't know, you all must learn. You go to other country people slap you. Yeah. Oh my God, you all like to terbalik, right? Yeah, last time I also like to terbalik. Yeah, but it's not meaning yeah, lah. Yeah. So be careful. You know why? Because the middle finger, but then it's you, man. They say the terbalik means a different meaning already. Yeah. Okay. International language using body language, the finger, y'all got learn, no. Just extra knowledge for you. Okay, interesting, right? My class learns so many things. Yeah, fork. Your friend say fork. Okay. Remember, see your Insta later. Many picture you catch. Oh my God. So have to close my video camera. Your friend say, take photo of me. You all got follow my Insta or not? You all very sad one, didn't follow my Instagram. So handsome photo you don't follow, wasted, Insta, IG, follow now. Yeah. If not, you cannot get A plus for MS, don't blame me, okay? Later I put Solan Bocho in the Instagram. Okay, tomorrow this question will come up. Just joking, okay? Well, okay, so now form the quadratic equation. Easy. You cannot say difficult because they give you roots, alpha, beta. Okay, now remember 所婆? Yeah, this is easy question that you might forgot what you learned, right? 86. Luckily it's 86, not 96 or 69, different meaning again. Okay, so form the quadratic equation. Okay, so given the roots ready, given roots 2/3. So remember SOPOR, sum of roots, product of roots, right? Sum of root is alpha plus beta, yeah, 2/3 plus 1/4. Actually, you can label like alpha equals to this, beta equals this. Okay, if they don't give you alpha beta, actually don't need to write alpha beta also can. Just sum of root. Because the formula to form equation, at the end, right? Equation, right? You have to know the equation is what formula? X square minus hasil tambah punca-punca X plus hasil darat punca-punca equals to 0. Hello, you don't know okay. So that's why you need to find a value of the 203 plus 104. So you got brain or no brain? Got brain use? Your brain. No brain use? Calculator 11/12. Oh, yo, so easy. Plus 1/6. Cut. Yes, equals to 0. And then the answer like this, a bit chat because of fraction in the quadratic, sometimes not so nice. Everything times 12, you times the highest common factor. You get 12x squared minus 11x plus 1 equals 0. Yeah! I nearly terbalik. Yeah! Yeah! I got the answer. I forgot to on the camera. Yeah! I got the correct answer. So the thing is, you see, your friend say +2. So your friends Enki, what Enki? Morning, you were here. Evening, also here. Nighttime, if we have midnight, shall we have a class? On the whole day, Saturday morning, evening, midnight, I 包个料, I 包 semua, okay? So that y'all can get MSA, man, or A plus, right? Got level already, man. Okay. Is it? Ayo, check. This one, what is a mistake? Times 12, cut, times 12, cut, times 12. This one is 2. Yeah. +2. Shafika, yes, correct. Subhashi, correct. Yeah. 不是. I saw the 不是 like bullshit. 不是. Okay, your friend said, yeah, correct. 不是. Okay, I saw the word, like, I saw, what is that? Why suddenly? Okay, 不是. Because you all didn't see your friend, maybe I share this, your friend type out one. Your friend type out this, so from far, right, I saw it's like this, I type up the chat I share with you. Your friend say, 12x squared minus 11x plus 2 is 0 to 0. 不是. So yeah, misunderstand. If you read carefully, is 不是. In Chinese, 不是. The China people, 是. Yeah, 是. When you go to China, they will be like that, the people over there. Okay, 是. So when you go to, you see the just now one, 不是. Yeah. Yeah, I chose wrong job. It should be actor. I forgot to tell you, actually, last time I joined a lot of acting competition. I won before best actor, yeah. Best male actor. When we the time secondary school, high school, we all join all these competition. When got drama competition, I represent school, you know. Sorry, so economy Malaysia will meningkat, no lah. Malaysia, our entertainment industry, yeah lah, cannot lah, don't know lah. Anyone want to become singer, actor, artist? Got lah. Anyone? Singapore good yeah, better lah that one. Singapore film. That's why actually Malaysia got a lot of talents, like those singer, actor, they have to go overseas to to the to grow lah. I think grow. Media Corp, yes. Politician here. Really? Ryan here already. Yeah. Ryan, today you whole day helping mother, oh. So nice, oh. You see your friend very hardworking one, you know. Morning attended my class, that time helping mother, working in the shop. Then at night, after the shop finish, closing the shop, then come back and then continue after taking bath, continue my lesson. You see, so good, oh. What shop is that? Selling what? Oh, his sejarah very king one. Wow, don't play. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Protesting, go to shop. What shop is that? Is it like food or you know? Uh, Next question, please. Oh, Chemi Mata. Very good. Jalia Jetty. You done ready? What is your answer, Jalia Jetty? You also didn't give answer. How do I go to next question? Jalia Jetty give answer already. Oh, okay, okay. Good. Now I saw. Okay, so everyone done ready, right? EJ also give the answer. Okay, good. So you see, yeah, some of you very fast, some of you very slow. So how? You have to be average lah. We have to wait for your friend because some of you still honeymoon. Okay, I will wait for roughly everyone's finished, then I go to next question one. Okay, but I discussed correct, right? Your answer. Suddenly Jala Jerry came out. Okay, give the answer. Never seen you give answer before one. Today so happy. What is the mood make you give answer one? Okay, so X is 2, right? So I saw the others also give 2. But the question B is -1/3. Okay, -1/3. So what is your answer? Log 1/x, right? This question, you have to know, you have to change the base to x. Change base to x, right? So 1/x on top, 8 bottom. Okay, this one, right? X power -1 over log x 8. Okay. Yeah, because 1/x is x power -1. So negative log xx is 1, no, correct not? But you still got negative on top. Log x 8 is what? 3. So answer -1/3. Yo, very stressed. Your friend say, next question. Okay, okay. Fish, yeah.
Minimize the screen.
Yes.
Uncopy the up one.
Oh, you can't. Oh, you missed the. You. Never mind. You ask from Wei Ping because later your friend later say next question.
Oh, yeah.
They say next question ready. Cannot go back. So everyone must be fast, 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 fast. I scared. Got smart student here. Got AA plus student here. Must do well. Okay, okay, everyone. Get ready, get ready. This one expressed in terms of M and N. Yeah, yeah, faster, faster. No, no lah. Make sure that you all must do, 4 marks. This question, how to solve leh? I'm waiting, okay? Some of you can do very fast, but make sure you do more, I mean, you got a lot of exercise. Make sure you do more, right? So in less than 5 minutes, can solve this question? Boleh buat tak soalan ini? 4/3, okay. So every week I test you, to make sure that you can do already, then going, Yeah, each and give the answer already very fast. Okay, is it correct? We'll see how, yeah? That's why we have to do more, Okay? So you can do, right? In terms of M and N, wow. So recall back indices and logarithm, this chapter, some of you still don't like, right? So when we solve this, you try to see the answer must something m plus something m, or have to relate. But they give you m is 5 power x, 5 power y. Oh, is it? I see. see the previous question. Oh, can. Right, can see. Question number 7, you can see your zoom in, M is 5 power X, N is 5 power Y, but the answer 25 over 125, how to split them? So far, only one friend gave the answer. Now, second friend give the answer from Singy, right? Oh, you change your answer already. Okay, yeah. Because, yeah, in terms of M and N, correct. So your friend actually typed in the WhatsApp, I know WhatsApp, type in the Zoom, okay, chat box. So I'm not sure the others didn't give answer, thought that nobody give answer. A lot of people give answer one, you see, in my what is it called? Chat box, a lot of direct message. They personally message me one. They don't want to share answer with you, scared your copy. Good. Okay, Singy, Junyu, and then Brian give the answer. This time I see about 4, 5 of you give same answer, but maybe 1 or 2 of you give different answer. Okay, so can I go to discuss this? Your friend. 25 is 5 squared, right? Why I changed to 5 squared? Because I saw 5 power X, 5 power Y. Maybe can help out in this, to change to base 5 first. 125 is 5 power of 3. And the thing is, you have to make sure you open bracket. Why? Because you can split them later to replace with the M and N, right? So this one, you also can open bracket. And you can split them, become 5 power 2x times 5 power 2y. Over 5 power 3x, divide. Minus, if the power minus, change to divide. So 5 power 2x, a lot of people didn't realize that can change to m or not. Can. 5 power of x is m. So you still got square there. So m squared. Same thing. 5 power of 2y means 5 power of y is what? N. Then 5 power of 3x. So you can change the 5 power x is m. Okay. Check carefully, especially the over divide somehow. All these things have to be careful. N power 3. Double check. Okay. Yeah. So replace all in m and n already. So what you can do is you can direct. Be careful because this one got dy, right? What you can do is maybe you make it like that, m square n square over m cube n cube. Okay, continue. You can make it nicer or not. Dy by m cube. Dy means times, so some of you depends on this, right? Divide by this, or you straight away change to times. I'm not sure you all can see or not. I already changed like that. Divide change to times. This over change to time. This one upside down. Then you can see cut lor. You can cut directly lah. So n power 5 over m. Correct or not? You cut and see carefully your answer. So n power 5 over m, majority give the answer correct, but some of you put power 4, some of you got minus n plus 5n, something not right. Okay, good. So can you get the answer? Okay, very good. Yes. You must simplify the form. Your answer must simplify. Check the working. Because 4 marks, the answer of course 1 mark. And then you substitute this one, also 1 mark. And then 2 more marks is like you split them and then you simplify cut like that. This is the thing you can show. So the overall, the 4 marks is just like, as long as you write all the steps, then you get full marks. Okay? I mean, the answer and connect with all the working. Okay? Okay, go to next question. Finish, right? Copying or finish checking your working with your Am I working? Okay, good. Now, question 8 and 9. Whoa. Solve. And then again, got this vector magnitude. So, how to do it, right? Okay, two answer done ready. I saw the answer from Lok Yi. Okay, Guan Yu, Yi Cheng, Shriya, Jala Jedi. Very good. Sing Yi as well. Okay, how about the question number 9? You're done ready? So question 8, your friend gave the answer already. Some of you still doing. How to do that? So you see, in exam, you all have to know how to tackle it because some of you try to recall back, but then start. So that's why practice not enough question. It will be like that. So luckily this e-revision every Saturday, we refresh a lot of things. Okay, still got other chapters as well. One more minute. Okay, so we shall check the answer. Okay, so who else want to give the answer for number 9 so far? Number 9 also, so Singy give already. Okay, so let's discuss 3 power x times 4 power x minus 1. First thing, I already see that these two different base, different index cannot multiply. Okay, do you remember if let's say a power m times a power n, you can combine, right? The power plus, but then cannot. And then the other way is the index also not the same, cannot multiply the number. So then how? So to solve this, you have to think of the way to relate. Okay, 6 power x is equals to like 2 times 3. Yeah. So I see a lot of you give answer x equals to 2. So perhaps you can split them. Should I split become 2 square x minus 1? This one 6 is 3 times 2. Okay. Yeah, you see this one 2 power 2x, right? Then minus 2. This one you can split them 3 power x, 2 power x. Some more. Okay, you see, wow, like that also can. Sometimes when you practice, you maybe see something one. Divided by 2 power 2. So what you can do is you can continue. Right? This one 3 power x, 3 power x, left and right cut lor. So you only left 2 power 2x. Okay, the bring the 2 power x here equals to 2 square. Yeah, is it okay? So we cannot see this is over my dy. Bring that on the right side, become 1 over 1. No? This one 2 power x bring to the left hand side, become over 2 power x. No? Do you see that? I try to rearrange on it because I want to actually combine them. This one can solve. Actually, this one can make it into 4. Oh, don't need first lah, huh? Don't need also can. Then you can see the answer. Okay. On top equals on top. Yeah, 2x minus x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 lor. Since the left hand side base 2, right hand side also base 2, then you get the answer. You see the way how you try to rearrange. So you just solve lah, right? Now question number 9. Vector AB has a magnitude of 10. Parallel to 1, 3, given that B more than 0, find the value of A and B. So this one, only one friend give answer, and also Jerry also give answer. Two friends give the answer already. So is it square of 10, 3 square of 10, or 502, 1502 leh? Okay, so can I discuss this? Vector AB has a magnitude. So magnitude of this vector, can I say is square of A square plus B square, which is equals to 10. They give you. So square root, bring that becomes square. Question asks you to find the value of A and B and say parallel to 1, 3. Parallel to 1, 3, you have to know vector AB parallel means times K. You see or not? Right? Is it that way? Parallel to 1, 3 means the only thing is this one. AB vector parallel to 1, 3 means you can write, what is that called? Equals K13. Okay? So the thing is like, you can change to, you can equate A equals to K, B equals to 3K. You write into two equations. So your job is to solve by seeing the relation here, because question asks you to find A and B. So you see, 10 squared is 100. I sub in A equals to K, B equals 3K into here for me to find K. Yeah, that's the reason. Interesting. That's why a lot of people stuck very long, right? Don't know how to do, right? So K squared plus 9K squared equals to 100. And 10K squared equals to 100. K squared equals to 100 divided by 10, 10. So K equals to positive, negative square of 10. And the answer say B is more than 0. Oh, okay, B is more than 0. So if you substitute K equals to negative square of 10, if you see carefully, you become negative. But they give you this, this is important. To decide the K, right, you got two values. One is positive square of 10, one is negative square of 10. Okay, so is which one rejected? Negative. So that means when K equals to square of 10, your B is 3 times K, 3 square 10, no? And A equals to directly square of 10. You see, positive value, right? It's more than 0, so you rejected the negative. You have to show like rejected this value and get the answer. So far, yeah, Jelly got the answer. Wow, very good. Well done. Okay, correct or not? Yeah, double check where is the mistake, and those who start, that's the way how you can continue. Wow. Okay, any questions so far? Can do or not? Why you have to know, can substitute here, especially a lot of you, they don't know why must make this equation. What is this for? So I can continue here, substitute in, substitute in to connect them. Do maths and do M maths. It's like how smart you connect the solution only, the working, and then can connect, can link, then you just proceed. Don't give up. Just proceed to see the answer. If let's say you found that the method wrong, then you have to change and see other method can do or not. Okay? Yeah, okay, say, tell her 100% A plus already. Yeah. Okay, you finish copying already. No lah, lucky only. You see so humble. Lucky also can get all correct. Wow, that's like very, very lucky. Okay. Good, good. You all have to interact with each other so that don't feel like online class so boring. You all can talk, you know. Okay, number 10, this question. How to draw straight line? Eh? Is it maths or like from three maths? Straight line? No, you got the coordinate geometry, right? In MS also. So it's related, got straight line. You use the basic thing. Just not linear law. This one not linear law, huh? Don't mix together, huh? This one really XY coordinate, huh? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Jalai, Yicheng, Loyi, Singy give the answer already. Well done. Who else want to give the answer? Not sure you all can do or not, right? So you see. So Junior, Junior also. Now check your answer. Let's say the equation of straight line, they give you this one, right? And label so that easier to detect and identify also, right? Okay. They also say that AB perpendicular to CB or AB per CB, so 90 degree here. Okay. Then find the coordinate of B. Okay, well, to do this question, you think of the strategy, strategy. Gradient. Okay, I can find the gradient and the gradient here, then can solve also, right? They didn't say B is midpoint. They only say that what is that called? Oh, the intersect. Find intersection. No? Okay, you solve intersection, right? But the thing is, there's no equation for this line AB. So to find equation of AB, you must have gradient and the y-intercept. Okay, I use this equation y equals mx plus c to do it since I got y-intercept, c is 4. How to find gradient? Gradient of CB equals to 2. Gradient of AB, the line is -1 over gradient of CB equals to -1 over 2. You see that? You have to find the equation of AB first, then solve simultaneous equation later. That's the concept to find intersection point. So equation of AB, you can see or not, y equals to mx plus c. Okay. Then you got two equation. Y equals to 2x minus 1. Y equals to -1 over 2x plus 4. Equation 1, equation 2. Then what you can do is equate them, which is 2x minus 1 equals to -1 over 2x plus 4. This one 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay, you get 5 over 2x. Then answer x equals to 5 times 2 over 5. So x is 2. But coordinate, you must have y also. Kena cari y juga. Apabila x sama 2 can sub into any equation. Equation 1 lah. Okay, easier. Y equals to 3. So coordinate B is 2, 3. Do you get this answer? I saw all of you got it correct when you submit to the chat box here. Right, so maybe got one friend make mistake. Okay, what is a mistake? Can see my working? If you want to screenshot or whatever, just do it. Easier. Okay, next question. Ta-da. Finish, Okay, now this question. APGP. I do this. This one I want to test whether you can do or not. This one, very popular one. Popular. Popular. Can do this question or not? Oh, forgot how to do, right? But it's easy step, The simple way of doing only. Just that you forgot how to start only. I think you will be like, how to start? So I saw the answer from who? The answer from Jajati, Shreya, Yiching, Anki. That's it. If you got the answer in this fraction, to do the checking, do you know how? Just press with your calculator. Yeah, you can do the checking by pressing the calculator. You will know whether is that correct. Okay. Okay, so shall I? Another two more friends give the answer from Shreya and Junior, right? Okay, to do this question, very simple. Do you see what is repeating? 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, man. In this situation, I will just, tell you that whatever you see repeating, you can split them first. Hello, do you see? I split in this way so that you can see it's like, can like dissect into so many parts here. But the important thing is this one form a GP. Do you realize that? To do this like recurring always related to sum to infinity one. That's the clue. Okay. So that means confirm GP. And you have to find the R, which is 0.00054 divided by 0.054, because you have to know if you have this, what is that called? The R is less than, it's like in between, right? In between one, correct or not? That is, you can find the sum to infinity. And sum to infinity formula is what? A over 1 minus R. Yeah, so your A is not the 0.3. Your A is 0.054 based on this sequence, right? Arithmetic. Then you can solve already. You see 0.054 divided by 0.99. You get this, right? You get 3/55 over here and plus 0.3. Overall, your answer, if you plus together, is 39/110. That's the answer, right? You can press calculator and check. Right, very good for those who got it correct. Well done, Janyo, Shreya, Janyo. Inky, the others start very long. You don't know how to do? Must ask, right? Okay, any questions so far? Okay, no question, huh? Okay, one more question I choose. Which one? Eh? Oh, this one. You forgot differentiation, right? Okay, can do this question. So a curve with gradient function, which is f prime x, right? They give you, or is dy dx, gradient function straight away dy dx. Okay. So has a turning point. When you talk about turning point, means dy dx equals 0. So you prefer dy dx or you want to have f prime x? It's the same, huh? Turning point means directly equals 0, lor. Dy dx when you differentiate it. So determine is it a maximum or minimum? So they want you to find the turning point. Is it maximum or minimum? What you should do is what? Differentiate one more time? Huh? So second derivative. So before you go further, actually talk about whether it's maximum, minimum, you can differentiate one more time, okay, to do it. But you rearrange, okay, second derivative, differentiate, power -2 times -2 positive 4, power -1, -3. So what you can do is, you can rewrite again 16 plus 4 over x cubed. The only question asks you to determine, determine, right? So the dy dx equals 0, I don't think it can, need to use just that. The turning point, whether it's maximum, minimum, you substitute the x is 2 here. Okay, when x is 2 at this turning point, you need to check with the second derivative. Why second derivative? Because it will tell you more than 0 means what, less than 0 means what, right? You get 16.5, which is more than 0. And do you know that the notes, second derivative, if let's say more than 0 means good, happy, minimum point. Less than 0, no good, sad, maximum point. So that means you can write your conclusion since second derivative more than 0, it has minimum point. Or you can say it's a minimum point. Who is a minimum point? The point, turning point itself, 2, 3. 2, 3 is a minimum point, right? Yeah, so answer is minimum, okay? So check. So this question is just to see whether your differentiation skill, you still remember how to bring down the power, then power -1 and substitute the x2. Okay. So I think, yeah. Any question? If no question, I will stop here. And then I shall see you on next week. Remember, right? So any question? Yeah, so next week we will continue on this, no more question to discuss. Welcome, understood, good. So you have to ask if you don't have any problem, right? Hi, Hangning, hi. Okay, so that's all. Thank you, class, and see you. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay. Take care. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Take care.
Hi,
See
sir.
you. Welcome. Bye, Brian. Bye. Bye, everyone.